What's up guys, it's Mikenstein. Today we are gonna drop some juice on the upcoming Galaxy Note 10. As you already know, a new Galaxy is on the way. It is a new Note device, so we happen to have some information about this that have pretty much been confirmed at this point. So our correspondent in China just leaked some information that I think you guys might want to hear. George, George? You there? George? Yeah, so what is the situation with the Note 10? What did you find out and what do you want to share with us? Alright, so a possible rundown of specs. We have a Snapdragon 855 processor, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and 4500 mAh of battery. It is also possible Samsung might implement the Infinity O display on the Note 10 just like on the S10, or possibly even their new Infinity display, which has no notch, no bezels, and no cutout. Also, I would love to go home. Can you please release me from here? Alright, thank you very much for this information, George. We'll be back to you in a bit. So you just heard it yourselves. This is what we were supposed to be expecting from the new Galaxy Note 10. Samsung has been working on a new type of display for the Note 10. They haven't used it yet on any of their smartphones, but it's possible it could come with the Note 10. But if it doesn't come on time, it's just going to have the same old Infinity O display we saw on the S10. But if it does get the new Infinity display though, that would mean that the selfie camera is gonna be a pop-up system just like the OnePlus 7 Pro or the Vivo Nex. And the Note 10 is probably still gonna use the same in-display fingerprint reader as on the S10. It's still pretty early for this technology, so I'm guessing it's still gonna play its way into the Note 10. So yeah, it's gonna be here a while. But the biggest change to ever come to the Note is the introduction of possibly different sizes. Yes, Samsung just might release smaller size models of the Note 10 to appeal to more people who prefer smaller phones but still want that Note. Current rumors point to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 coming with a huge 6.7-inch display, which is the same size as the display on the forthcoming Galaxy S10 5G. But just so they don't scare away consumers who just don't want a phone that big, Samsung could also offer a smaller version of the Note 10, possibly a 6.4-inch display like on the Galaxy Note 9. And Samsung might be planning to launch a 5G model of the Galaxy Note 10 as well. According to our sources, there could be 4 variants of the Note 10, 2 LTE models in 2 different sizes, and those same size models but each with 5G support. So that is what we're supposed to be expecting. And another thing to be expecting is a huge price tag to possibly start around 1100 bucks. So this phone will not be cheap, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be their most powerful smartphone ever, and I really can't wait to see it come out. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Would you get this phone if it comes out, or are you gonna stick to your previous Note or whatever smartphone you guys are using right now? Smash the like button super hard if this video helped in some way, and of course subscribe for more content coming up, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.